Hello my good peeps and welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing another trash to treasure type DIY. I'm using these old sauce jars to make some beautiful wall sconces. So as you see, I'm painting these jars white. I've already taken off the paper and the glue. It's nice and clean. I'm painting it a plain white color, and then I'm going to use my hot glue gun to glue some twine around the top of the jars just to give it a little bit of depth, a little bit of color. So I'm just using some twine I already had on hand. It originally came from the Dollar Tree, and it was like 3 rolls for $1, and I couldn't beat that. So now I'm going to add some flowers I also had on hand from another project. I'll leave that down below, and I'm just adding those because it's going to match the color scheme I have going on in the bathroom. And now I'm outside. I'm using my saw, and I'm going to be cutting these pieces to about 16 inches high. And I want to say they were about 7 inches collectively wide. It'll make more sense as you go along. But I just got 2 pieces of pallet wood. This is pallet wood I've already had on hand. I'm sanding it down, getting rid of all the splinters. Then I'm going to dust it and get rid of all the dirt. Once my pieces are completely smooth, I'm going to get my nail gun and I'm going to attach the pieces together. So you see I just got 1 piece of scrap wood at the top against those 2 long pieces of pallet wood. So here's my Varathane polystyrene in the color Kona. I've used this 1,000 times in other videos, and I will link those down below. And I am just using a sponge brush to apply. I absolutely love this color. I feel like it's so rich and it goes with the aesthetic that I want in my home. So I have these hangers that are picture hangers that I've already had on hand, and these flower pot hangers also already had on hand. Spray painted those black, and I'm going to be using hot glue to attach that to my wood pieces. And then I'm going to get some more twine, attach that at the height that I want these jars to go, and I'm going to have it free hanging. And once I have that secured in place, I'm going to get those flowers that you saw earlier, place them inside. Now I'm in the bathroom using these Dollar Tree anchors that I already had on hand. I'm attaching those. Because these are lightweight, I'm very comfortable using the Dollar Tree anchors. So it already comes with the screw, so I'm screwing that in with my heart tool, and then I'm going to go ahead and hang up my piece. And the second one I made off camera, and there it is. It's so beautiful, so lovely, so elegant, and it cost me absolutely nothing to make. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I really hope you try it. If you like this kind of content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I really hope to catch you in my next video. You all take care. I'll catch you later. Bye for now.